Welcome to the Applied JavaScript Cryptography course. I'm Jeremy Barthelemy, and today I'm going to be presenting the course overview, where we take a look at what all the course covers. In the first module, we'll explore the fundamentals of cryptography, its significance in modern web development, as well as key concepts and terminologies. You'll learn what cryptography is, why it's crucial for securing information in today's digital age, and get acquainted with basic terms like encryption, decryption, ciphers, and keys. This foundation will set the stage for more advanced topics as we progress through the course. Module 2 dives into the two main types of cryptography, symmetric and asymmetric. We'll compare and contrast these methods, discussing their principles, strengths, and weaknesses. You'll understand how symmetric cryptography uses a single key for both encryption and decryption, making it fast but less secure for certain applications, and conversely, how asymmetric cryptography uses a pair of keys, enhancing security but at the cost of speed. We'll also explore real-world use cases for each, preparing you to choose the right approach for different scenarios. In Module 3, we focus on the critical role of cryptography in JavaScript, the language of the web. As JavaScript applications become more prevalent in web and mobile platforms, understanding potential threats like hijacking and man-in-the-middle attacks is essential. This module will cover how to use cryptography to secure document exchanges and messaging, ensuring data integrity and confidentiality in your JavaScript applications. This module introduces you to the tools of the trade, JavaScript cryptography libraries. We'll cover the Web Cryptography API, Crypto.js, and JS Encrypt, providing an overview as well as usage examples for each. By the end of the module, you'll be equipped to implement basic cryptographic functions in your JavaScript projects using these libraries. Module 5 digs deeper into the Web Cryptography API, a powerful tool for implementing cryptography in web applications. We'll explore how to encrypt binary data, use JavaScript for password hashing with MD5 and SHA algorithms, and ensure the security of your applications. Practical examples and code snippets will help you grasp these concepts quickly and effectively. In Module 6, we'll explore advanced cryptographic techniques. You'll learn about implementing the HMAC algorithm, code obfuscation to protect your JavaScript, and using AES, DES, DES, and triple DES applications. We'll also cover the RSA algorithm and secret key cryptography, providing you with a comprehensive toolkit for securing your JavaScript applications. Module 7 focuses on applying what you've learned in real-world scenarios. We'll discuss cryptography in the browser environment, deploying two-factor authentication, and other practical applications. This module aims to bridge the gap between theory and practice, preparing you to implement robust security measures in your projects. And in our final module, we'll summarize the key takeaways from the course and discuss best practices for implementing cryptography in JavaScript. You'll leave with a solid understanding of how to apply cryptographic techniques securely and effectively. We'll also provide further resources and learning paths to continue your journey in cryptography. Looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.